Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we'll learn an important rule that is often used when solving equations involving indices. So let's start. So let's see. When the power is moved to the other side of the equation, we take its reciprocal. Like here we have x to the power a over b is equals to y. So when this power is taken to the other side, it will uh, become reciprocal like this: x equals y. B will come to the numerator and A will go to the denominator. When power goes to the other side of sign, it is reciprocated. Let's see some examples. X to the power 3 by 2 is equals to 8. So uh, we will take this power to the other side. X equals 8 and the power will be reciprocated. 2 over 3. And we will take cube on both sides. And this 3 will be cancelled. So x cube equals 8 square. X cube is equals to 8 square is 64. So x and the value of x will be 4. This is how we solve this type of questions. Now let's see another example. X square is equals to 16. X square, now take 2 to the other side. 16 to the power 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 is under root. So this will become under root 16. And the value of x will be under 16 is 4. So value of x will be 4. So that's it for this video. I hope you have got a great understanding of this rule. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.